Man, let me spit it. Guaranteed every time my man don't quit it. Every time I come to fit it, guaranteed I come to bid it. Guaranteed to come and lead that man burning up a sick. With my nigga, every time I come with the trick, coming with the gat. Guaranteed that's that man stuck in fat, coming big stacks. No matter what, man, step it in the back. Oh, lad, man, keep it on track, man, keep it on back, man, keep it all trill. Hold up, man, let me feel the coming to the deal, let me kill the feel. Every time we strap it straight like seals, O'Neal. Oh, wheel, man, strapping on the wheel, stepping on the wood grind. Guaranteeing me, man, I don't mind coming with the 9. Every time I come to shine, man, coming up, 9 lives. Oh, 9, man, me, I come to survive. Every time I come to the 505, man, keep the vibe on the live. Man, keep it live. Every time I come to give, every time I come to live, every time I come to give. Oh, yeah, with the homie from the 303 Denver. Guaranteed, man, leave a motherfucker shiver. Every time you don't remember, every time you come to 2 up in the, yeah, come up in the middle. Every time me, man, I come mental, don't even need a pencil, cause I freestyle out the dome. Guarantee me, man, I'll pin my fetty, man, I clean out your home. Old throne, man, the chrome, cause you know I do the dome. Every time I do it, man, ain't known. Ain't on the unclone, cause you know I taste stoned. Every time I come, me, man, I come alone. None, man, I leave your bun, give it none. Man, come and stun, cause I got the gun, got the Tech 9. Guaranteed to run up on your mind, guaranteed to run up, man, let me rewind, homie, here. Man, gonna tell you how it's all year. Guaranteed every time we up in here. Come to bed from the Duke City. Guarantee me and Zach do your bitch, man, suck on the titties. Now we're gonna put the freestyle on. If you like it, hold on, let me clone, let me throne, let me show you how we up or what, yeah, all alone.
Denver, Colorado, Mile High salute. Man, my beat's so dirty, I pollute. Your girl, she at my dick, cause I don't give a fuck. The pussy I don't lick. I got me and my whole clique. Southside Denver boys and my nigga from Las Cruces. Ha, you say you better than my team, come prove it. Your girl asks what I'm moving. Yeah, you said, why you crying? I said, bitch, you better stop lying. I saw you and your boyfriend spying, and after that, he was dying, bleeding up in the street. Cause I don't give a fuck, I don't like beef. I gotta heat, but I cook it, cause I don't give a fuck. Yeah, bullets shooting through your dome, send your ass home, and after that, you planted in your front yard like a gnome. Yeah, spitting so clean, cause we don't give a fuck. Band so mean, yeah, white and black. Band shades, cause we don't give a fuck, man. It's our phase. Raised Southside Denver, V-neck and Vans, that's all you gonna remember.
Guaranteed you'll remember, man, every time in the cruises looses. Every time we're throwing deuces, man, ain't no losses. Every time we see a man, niggas crossing, cause you know you wanna see over rising. Man, me pricing, man, I put the price. Guaranteed your bitch, man, I don't see nice. Guaranteed ain't no lies, criticize every time you see the eyes, cause you know I roll the dice. 7-Eleven, run up on your house like I don't rob the 7-Eleven, cause you know hella heaven is coming, but that's the reverend, cause you know ain't no other nigga, man, run up on 7. Yeah, man, you know how we come to flow. If you don't like it, then fuck your hoe.